Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel, and for today's video, we will be watching the Miss World Philippines 2024 Beach Beauty Competition, pero medyo i-move forward lang natin dun sa swimsuit na lang na round nila. And actually, I'm very sorry guys if it took so long before nakagawa ako ulit ng isang content reaction. Kasi, you know, sobrang busy sa work. But anyway, nandito na tayo. So, let's watch together kung paano mag-perform yung mga candidates ng Miss World Philippines 2024 sa kanilang swimsuit competition. And actually, disclaimer lang, wala talaga akong idea with the candidates. Kasi hindi ako masyadong nakapag-focus because of my, may trabaho ko din. So, yun. I'm so excited to watch this. So, let's begin.
Our 35 beautiful candidates in the beach beauty competition. Let's make some noise!
Oh. May pa ganito. Actually, may mga kilala ako dito sa mga candidates, but hindi masyado lahat. Lalo na yung galing sa Miss Universe Philippines 2024 na nag-transfer to Miss World Philippines 2024. At si Miss Cavite, which is, yun nga, nung pinalo ko talaga siya before until nung tapos yung competition. Tapos si Miss Baguio. The rest is hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. So, let's see. And balita ko maraming magaganda sa Miss World Philippines 2024 today, this year. Oh. Ang ganda ng camera, camera quality ng camera. Compared to the Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Sino to? Start with saan ka na? Bako, Oriental Mindoro. Oh, ganda. Fierce. Go girl, ganda. Okay sana, pero kasi alam mo yung ang pangit, nakaka-disturbo yung singer. Bacolod City. Para siya si Keanu Reeves. Okay. This is Baguio. Ito yung Baguio na. Ayan. Ganda pa din ni Baguio. Sayang lang sana na give up niya yung Miss Charm. But who knows, baka ma-redirect yung, alam mo yun, yung destiny niya to Miss World talaga. Batangas. There's something wrong with, alam mo yun, yung kamay niya. I mean, the right arm niya. Parang hindi ako comfortable lang sa right arm lang niya. Okay, Benguet. Ang lit ng legs niya. Okay. I don't like that fingers. I mean, nag-stiff yung fingers. Like, no, it's a no for me. Oh. Bicol region. She looks like yung dating, o yung previous na winner ng Miss World medyo kareplika niya. Yan, na parang okay. Taka ng bunganga. Okay. Oh. Ganda. Actually, magaganda silang lahat. So far, wala pa ako nakikita ang pangit. Okay. Cappies. Oh, that's from... Yeah, Cappies. Ganda ni Cappies. Ganda ng hair niya, in fairness, no? Yeah, that's it. Dia. Cavite, go girl. Wala talaga. Hindi talaga nagbago. Like from MUPH and now from to Miss World. Like she's still giving that turn. Who's this? Dasma. She looks like Pauline Amelinks. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Medyo magalaw. Ito. Like, Cebu. Oo. Ganda. Ganda. No wonder if ito mananalo. Let's see. Cebu. I bet for Cebu. Let's see. Oh. Ako, sana tinanggal nila yung tag nun, yung singer na yan para mas medyo ma-focus yung lakad talaga ng candidates. Kamukha siya, hindi ko alam. Central Visayas. Ano yun? Holo? Ano yun? Ano yung Tarlac? Okay. Okay. Feeling ko lang, no, ang heavy masyado ng buhok niya. Like, feeling ko ang daming extension kinabit. Ang bigat tingnan. Davao del Sur. Basta ako, I bet for Cebu. Alright. Gusto ko yung sa swimsuit, yung medyo sophisticated pa din, pero very playful na girl during nang naglalakad. Okay, napaka-fierce girl. Oh, alright. And also, medyo flirty. Alright. Ano meron sa puwet? Sorry. That's Negros Occidental. What's this? General Trias. It's from Cavite then. Okay. Just beautiful actually. Pero alam niyo, 'di ba? Ang Miss World kasi mas gusto niya ng prototype yung medyo mala prinsesa or mala Disney princess yung datingan. Guimaras. That's from Iloilo also. Iloilo province. I mean, sa Region 6 pala, sorry. I hope no sa MUPH din like meron ganito din silang mga lugar, sige, Maras, Iloilo. Oh. City of Smile. Oh, Smile ba sila? City of Love pala, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Masyadong malaki. Feel like kung mukha ang pag-tingnan natin to kay Iloilo province, maganda pero medyo malaki lang yung build ng body niya. And I like yung ponytail lang yung datingan ng buhok niya. Parang ganun. Okay. Di alam ko anong gagawin. Yeah, this one is a repeater also. This is a veteran also. Okay. I don't know ang pangalan nitong babaeng to, pero she's a repeater, I know. This one is maganda din to. Ayan o, gusto ko yung ganyan mukha, yung medyo flirty pero sexy pa din siya, like sophisticated pa din, like kung ako mag-judge, ganun yun, like alam yung gagawin. Ayan. Okay, sana tinanggal na lang sana yung singer na yan, no? Marikina. No. No, girl. Alright. Yeah, this one. Let's see. Sobrang strong lang masyado ng mukha niya. Ako nakikita, diwatang mahiwaga, langit ang lumita. Pero the level of the energy is so incredible. Okay. Girl, this is something. Pangasinan. Oh. Let's go. Oh. Ganda ni Pangasinan. Oh. Go girl. You got me there, go girl. You got me there. Okay. Quezon City. Ang hinatin. Hindi tayo long gown. Pero maganda. Mas maganda siya compared to the MUPH 2024 na candidate. Maganda siya. Kilabero bang hiwaga? Ako nakikita. Ibatang mahiwaga. Langit ang lumika. Pasagin ang hiwaga. Sa'yo nakikita. Ang nakita mahiwaga. Sa'kin ay lumika. Kilabero bang hiwaga? Ako nakikita. See? Hindi nga nagiging maayos yung performance tuloy kasi nga nandito yung sa gitna yung singer. Isang diwata sa buhay ko ikaw. Let's go! Ikaw ay mahiwaga, diwatang mahiwaga. Ikaw ay mahiwaga, diwatang mahiwaga. Ikaw ay mahiwaga, diwatang mahiwaga. Maganda nito si Tarlac. Ikaw ay mahiwaga, mahiwaga. Mahiwaga. Oh, that body. Diyos. Ano meron sa Zambales na ang gaganda ng mga katawan? Like, it's almost perfect. Like, tingnan nyo, oh, kurbada, laki ng dibdib, laki ng...
Meron bang hiwaga? Ako nakikita ang nag-iisang diwata sa buhay ko, ikaw
Okay, Zamboanga del Sur. Maganda siya, pero alam mo yung may something sa kanya na basta maganda. So there you have it, guys. So far may 7 candidates na pinangalanan ko kanina. So far lahat sila pasok. So I'm very happy with Capiz kasi siya lang yung among the 7 among yung sa 7 na na mention ko, siya lang yung hindi front runner, and so far hindi ko pa siya nakita sa national pageants. So I'm so happy for her na she was able to penetrate the top 12 in the beach beauty competition. So good luck. And for the rest of the girls, I'm sure they will be able to nail it na lang siguro during the coronation night. So but for me now, based on the performance, I'm rooting for it's either for Cebu or I'll go with Pangasinan. So that 2 girls, feeling ko kakaroon sila ng mataas na placement during the coronation night. So let's see. So let's watch na lang siguro on Friday. Okay, na Friday, July 19. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, you may click like and subscribe. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button for you to be notified with my next video. See ya.